All right, John Ward just released another wonderful video. This one features a bunch of my fellow Cove kids. Yeah, my inner circle, my family, if you will, the Cove people, the home folk. And it also features my wonderful it also features my wonderful friend Jake Jarvis demonstrating his sick skills that he has operating a track hoe or excavator in recovery of my cargo container. Yeah, this video is of an event that happened more early. Yeah, I get a little tongue-tied, especially talking to so many people nowadays. I also want to mention that my dear friend Ilene, that feels more like family, has a great monologue at the beginning, kind of explaining to you the situation of what we've been through and what happened down there in the Cove. So I hope you do listen in. The truck they're excavating is clearly Chris Wing's H2O Dreams suburban truck. So yeah, they got hit pretty hard. They lost their van and their Suburban that they operate their business with. So if you guys like kayaking and have used them in the past or plan to in the future, showing them a little support would be great. If you can't make a donation, maybe consider booking a class with them. Yeah, I also do kayak instruction. But hey, I want to help my friends too. I don't have to be greedy and try to get everything. It's more important to support the community. Along that point, you can see how far Jake is willing to go for an individual, let alone our communities. So if you would, please consider giving him some notes. Yeah, I'm getting tongue-tied a lot today. Please consider giving Jake some financial donations. You can find information at Precision Grading. He is doing all this work for free. The donations help keep the equipment running, fueled, and also buy materials that are needed to build all those bridges he's been replacing in Bat Cave and other locations. So if you want to make a donation where 100% of your donation goes to help people, this is your best choice. You send to any of those big old giant NGOs, badmouth any of them, but any of them, any of the big ones, the ones that have advertising campaigns and marketing, well, let's just say their CEOs are making millions, or at least over $800,000 in one case, and many other officers are also in that big 6-digit figure zone. So a lot of that money is not going to help people, it's helping themselves in their NGO. So if you really want to help the people of Western North Carolina, particularly around Polk County and Henderson County, I would strongly suggest donating to Jake Jarvis. You'll find the info down in the description. I'll probably post it in a pinned comment. Also, if you haven't seen the Appalachian channel with John Ward, go take a look. If I can figure out how to do it in YouTube, I'll try to make it easy to find this channel for you. Anyway, peace out for now. Keep it real. Tamp down on all that misinformation and BS. It's not helping anybody. And kudos to the Hendersonville or Henderson County Sheriff who's pressing charges against some dirtbag outsider that come down making outrageous videos, pressing all these conspiracy theories I see being echoed through the community because people fell for it. Yeah, he kind of almost speaks the dialect. He speaks Northern Hillbilly. He's from West Virginia, but he's an outsider, and he didn't come here to help. He come here to make money off TikTok. So, what I'm saying is, you see people doing bad things like that, just either ignore them, or better yet, hide their content so it doesn't get pushed further and cause more pain and suffering. And to all my hillbilly brethren, go out and apply for your FEMA assistance. You pay taxes. Get you a little bit of help too and some love. I know that the politicians aren't funding them and they're understaffed, so it's taking a long time, but don't give up. Keep on keeping on.